My name is Kayla DeLeon. Currently, I am a graduate candidate for the Master's in Arts Humanities program. Join me as I introduce to you the selected works of my portfolio. The first piece is an essay titled Dante's Pilgrimage to Paradise, a discourse on the significance and consequence of desire. The essay explores the depth of human desire, as it is a force that can easily lead to corruption, but as the essay shows, desire can also lead to salvation. The essay captures my ability to apply classical logic to issues of human behavior, as well as articulate written positions from the great works. The next piece I would like to present is the essay titled Divine Intervention and its Role in the Construction of the Jewish Identity. The essay argues that God's covenant forms the foundation for the Jewish identity as God's chosen people. This essay shows my ability to critically analyze literary works and to integrate civic learning to respond to levels of social challenges at the global level. My next piece is an oral presentation titled Death, Man, and the Female Figure. The oral presentation relates two different depictions of scenes from Aeschylus's Agamemnon and explores the role of death and the opposing relationship between man and woman in the play and in the art pieces. The oral presentation highlights my ability to apply my intellectual and digital information literacy skills to different forms of art and literature. The next piece in my portfolio is an essay titled Marlowe's Critiques of the Counter-Reformation and Reformation in the Tragic History of Dr. Faustus. The essay explores Marlowe's use of characters in the play to critique the inability of both Reformations for the lack of ability to integrate or counter the humanist movement as society shifted towards the Enlightenment. The essay displays the ability to apply learning from the source and the time period, as well as to use advanced social science knowledge to inform of social processes. Finally, the last piece is an essay titled Individualism in Montaigne's of Education of Children and of Solitude. The piece explores the role of society in developing a uniform state and conformity amongst the individuals in society by limiting the expression of individualism. This essay highlights my ability to use a multidimensional approach and broad knowledge to explore the human condition. The Masters of Arts Humanities program at American Public University has instilled me with the confidence to call myself a scholar. One day I hope to pursue and accomplish the role of a professional in the field of the humanities. For the time being, I plan to further explore and analyze the great works from the classical to medieval periods.